Right, this is my young bird's first time right out. This is her first time out the hut. Honestly, I wanted them to be a bit stronger on the wing before I let them out because I lose them off the loft too easy. Wind catches them, carries them away, and they're sitting over there and they didn't care where they are. Ah, there they are. Come on then. Come on then. There we go. Come on then. Come on. Come on. Come on. They've not been up at all. This is their first time out. Come on in. Come on. Come on now. Come on. 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 Oh shit, man. There's one just took off now. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Up you come. Come on. Up you come. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on. There's that wee fella sitting over there. Come on. Can you hold this camera at the same time? Come on. Come on in. Oh. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Oof, look at that. See, it's the first time out. And he's up on their own there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. See, I'm doing it. The last thing I want is for them to get a fright. Come on in, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on in. Come on. Yeah, come on in. Come on in, come on. I've just got to keep them calm, that's all. This is the first time they're doing it without the cavey. So, honestly, the last thing I want is for them to get a fright and get up. That wee one up on the roof already. Look at him, he's up on their own. Come on in. Honestly, this is them just finding their wings a day. I just want them to be just standing there, paying attention to what's going on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on in, come on. Look at that wee fella up the roof. He's looking. Come on in, come on, come on, come on. Come on now. Come on now, come on. Come on now. Honestly, the last thing I want is for them to get a fright. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on, come on. Really, that's about as far as you want them to go, is for the hut up to their own there, up to the roof. That's about it. And back down to the hut again. It's just that some of them are a bit strong on the wing. They might find their wings a bit too quick and then they're off. Before you know it, they're whizzing about and they're like, oh, where am I, where am I? Come on, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on in, come on, come on in. Come on, come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. As long as you keep hearing the tin, you know, that just associates them with the grub. And he's back down there again now. Come on now, come on. Come on, see. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on in, come on in, come on. Up you go, up you go, up you go. There we go, see. Come on in. Come on you, up you get. Come on, up you get. Eh? Up you get. Come on, see. Looks like a wee hen. Come on in, up you get. Come on. Come on. I know they're hungry. That's the thing. I just didn't want them getting a fright. Come on now. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on, you. Up you get. Come on. Oh. Come on in. Up you get. Come on. Come on in. That's it, you just land there, that's fine. Come on now. There he's up there, that wee young'un. There he's there. Come on in. The walk is well along. See, it's the first time out, so they'll be curious. Hey! Wee young'un. Come on in. Come on in. See, that's what's wrong, they're hungry. That's why he was flying over to me. I thought he was going to land on my shoulder, but that's what's wrong with him, he's hungry. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on you, come on. That's the game, come on. Come on. Yay, come on in. There's 23 young'uns here all together. Hey. Come on, come on. Come on now, come on now, come on. Come on now, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. It's always a nervous time for me when it's the first time out, you know, especially if they're, you know, some are older than others. When I say older, you know, they're older, they'll be about like, you know, 4 and 5 weeks. There you go, that's that wee felly back down now. I think it's a wee hen, but there you go, it's came back to the hut anyway, that's the main thing. You just want them to play about, that's all, play about. Keep associating them with the shaking the tin with their grub, because I know they're hungry. Yeah, I know they're hungry. Aye. Come on in. 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 Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go then, eh? Come on in, come on. That's what I want, I just want them to play about and play about. That's all I want them to do, is play about. Play about. That's all I want them to do, is play about. Come on in. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. See what I mean? They're up now, so right guys, I better go because they're all getting a bit nervous. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheery cheery.